Bitcoin strategy they don't want you to know. If you're into crypto and want to amplify your Bitcoin exposure without selling your current assets, this strategy might be a game changer for you. It involves using crypto loans to trade Bitcoin, a technique that's powerful but not widely understood. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. Here's how it works. What's a crypto loan? A crypto loan lets you borrow assets like Bitcoin or stablecoins by putting up your existing crypto as collateral. You don't have to sell your crypto. You borrow against it, typically up to 50 to 75% of its value. You can use what you borrow to trade. Strategy 1. Borrow stablecoins to go long on Bitcoin. This is great if you believe Bitcoin will go up in price. How it works: deposit your Bitcoin as collateral. Borrow USDT or USDC. Use the stablecoins to buy more Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps, sell the extra Bitcoin for profit. Repay your loan plus interest and keep the profit. Example: you borrow 10,000 USDT and buy Bitcoin at 70K, you get 0.143 Bitcoin. Bitcoin rises to 90K. Your Bitcoin is now worth 12,857. You sell it, repay the 10,000 USDT loan, and walk away with 2,857 profit minus interest. Strategy 2. Borrow Bitcoin to short the market. This works when you think Bitcoin will fall. How it works: deposit stablecoins as collateral. Borrow Bitcoin. Immediately sell the borrowed Bitcoin at the current price. Wait for Bitcoin to drop, buy it back cheaper, repay the loan, and pocket the difference. Example: you borrow 0.2 Bitcoin and sell it at 95K. You get 19,000. Bitcoin drops to 75K. Rebuy 0.2 Bitcoin for 15,000. Repay the loan, and you net $4,000 minus interest. Risk management is key. Trading with borrowed assets is powerful but risky. Avoid maxing out your loan-to-value ratio. Stay conservative, under 50% is wise. Monitor the market. If your collateral drops in value, you could get liquidated. Make sure you understand the interest rates and repayment terms. Final thoughts: using crypto loans for Bitcoin trading is like wielding a sword. It can multiply your gains or cut deep into your portfolio if you're not careful. But used wisely, it's a secret weapon many traders overlook. Whether you're a hodler looking to boost exposure or a tactical trader hunting for alpha, this strategy adds a new layer to your crypto game. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies and crypto finance hacks. And drop a comment with crypto strategy if you want more trading strategies videos. Stay sharp, stay sovereign, and stack smarter.